They're constructed to prop up your torso, supporting your upper body, specifically your lumbar region, while in an upright position, says Jackson Lindeke, sleep product expert at Sleep Foundation. Org. There are many products available to choose reading pillow, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best reading pillow from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let us jump into the video. Number 1. Best U-shaped Yajibo Support Pillow. We also like the Yajibo Support Pillow. This reading companion is 37 inches long, 30 inches wide, and 12 inches thick. The U-shaped design supports your head and neck, while propping up your arms to minimize fatigue. 2. It's filled with the brand's signature EPS, expanded polystyrene, beads, and ultra-lightweight hollow thermoplastic that conforms to the shape of your body. Available in 14 colors ranging from neutrals to bolds to chic hues, the stretchy fabric cover is conveniently removable and washable. Whether you place it on a bed, couch, or directly on the floor, this cleverly designed pillow will cradle you in comfort. Dimensions: 37x30x 12 inches. Weight: 6 pounds. Fill material: EPS beads cover material. Cotton spandex blend care. Machine wash cover. Where we like head, neck, and arm support body conforming beads. Machine washable cover. What we don't like pricey. Number 2. Best Oversizable Max Oversized Linen Blend Bolster Wedge Pillow. For something larger, consider the Wow Max Wedge Pillow. It comes in 5 sizes, each 20 inches tall and 8 inches deep, ranging in width to fit size twin through California king beds. The triangular shape and gentle slope are perfect for sitting upright or lying back, while reading. This headboard-style backrest is densely packed with poly fibers and covered in a linen cotton fabric blend. Available in 8 design-forward colors, the button-tufted exterior is removable and machine washable. In the end, we only wish the Wow Max Wedge were a bit more affordable. Dimensions: 5 sizes available. Weight: 12 pounds. Fill material: polyfibers cover material. Linen cotton blend care. Machine wash cover. What we look at: headboard style backrest and yet plush machine washable cover. What we don't like expensive. Number 3. Best Splurge Husband Pillow Backrest Reading Pillow with Arms Cover and Insert. If you're an avid reader, you might consider investing in a premium design, like the Husband Pillow. This luxury backrest is filled with a lightweight yet supportive blend of shredded memory foam and polyfibers. Available in nearly 40 colors, the removable, machine washable cover comes in your choice of micro suede or faux fur. This reading pillow has built-in armrests, a detachable neck roll, a small side pocket, and a carrying handle. Measuring 39 inches wide and 32 inches tall with the neck roll attached, it doesn't skimp on size. And while we wish the Husband Pillow was more affordable, we appreciate the 3-year warranty. Dimensions: 32x15x 39 inches. Weight: 2 pounds. Fill material: shredded memory foam, polyfibers cover material. Macro suede or faux fur care. Machine wash cover. What we like: generous sizzle, lightweight yet supportive, a 3-year warranty. What we don't like expensive. Number 4. Best Wedgebrand Wood Home Crystal Cove Yoga Wedge Pillow. Prefer wedge-shaped pillow? Check out the Crystal Cove pillow from Brentwood Home. It has a high-density foam core surrounded by charcoal-infused CertiPUR certified memory foam. The latter is formulated with biofoam, a cutting-edge material that provides a cooling effect. This generously sized pillow measures 24x24x 10 inches. While it's technically designed for yoga, the dense core, pressure-relieving materials, and gentle slope make an excellent backrest for reading. And although there's only one color available, gray, we like that the quilted cover is removable and machine washable. Dimensions: 24x24x 10 inches. Weight: 5.5 pounds. Fill material: charcoal-infused memory foam, biofoam, high-density foam cover material. Stitch fabric care. Machine wash cover. What we like: CertiPUR certified cooling biofoam machine washable cover. What we don't like per se, only one color. Number 5. Best Plush Casper Backrest Pillow. Casper's backrest pillow boasts an exceptionally plush design. The core is a blend of high-density shredded foam and polyfibers, and the lofty outer chamber is filled with 100% polyfibers. It's designed to feel like you're resting on a cloud, but bear in mind it weighs over 11 pounds. Though this reading pillow only comes in one color, heather gray, we like that the stretchy knit cover is removable and washable. Measuring 24x24x 5 inches, the Casper backrest offers plenty of support for your head, neck, and back. Just make sure you fluff it frequently to maintain the loft. Dimensions: 24x24x 5 inches. Weight: 11.5 pounds. Fill material: shredded foam, polyfibers cover material. Polyester spandex knit care. Spot clean insert, machine wash cover. What we like: lofty and support a cloud-like feel, machine washable cover. What we don't like: evenly one color, requires frequent fluffing. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.